Well, good afternoon. It's on and off raining. It's Sunday, 23rd of April 2023. Yeah, St George's Day for those of you that have got a white bit of cloth with a red cross on it. Yeah, anyway, what am I doing well, I'm supposed to be sorting out all sorts of toot and rubbish to put in the back of the car to take to the tip tomorrow morning. I don't know how often you lot do that, but you know, every now and then you need to declutterify the space under your feet. But I keep finding things to do, like firewood that needs taking apart. Can't cut it today because Sunday we shouldn't be running machinery and the neighbours complain if I do. So not doing that. But in the rubbish I found this little gizmo. I guess most of you know what that is. It's a mini drill thing. And as far as I know, it's brand new. And I say that because it's still got the cable tie on the cable. And it's still got the plug. That's no good to me. That's an English plug. Can't plug it into anything. Actually, I guess I probably could find an adapter. And you know how sometimes you get a bit sidetracked. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stick a French plug on that and see if it works. And of course I've got French plugs. It's a French plug. 2 pins and an earth. I bought this a little while ago to use it for something, and I can't remember what I bought it to use it for, so I guess we'll use it to see if this little drill works. Let's just show you the difference between the plugs. French plug, English plug. Are all your benches like this? I've seen some of your benches. Some of you, haha, yes they are, aren't they? Go on, admit it. Right, but we have got side cutters to hand. So the first thing to do, I suppose, is to chunk. Right, the next thing to do is to expose some wires. So we'll expose some wires. I'm going to put you down while I do that because I can't even open this knife one-handed. And then I thought, I wonder if any of you wanted to see the inside of a French plug. There's nothing really to it, you know, it's a cable grip, and there's one in the middle for the earth, and there's one on the left for the neutral, and one on the right for what I would normally call live, but of course here in France we call it the phase, P-H-A-S-E. So that's the inside of a French plug. You're excited now, aren't you? Right, so far so good. I guess I better find a socket to plug it into. Well, there we are, plugged in. How about that? See, you can tell it's now modified for France because now it's a left-hand drive one. Yeah, good. Okay, I better find a hook to hang it on, hadn't I? And look at that, another plug socket appears, as if by magic. Yes, the wiring fairy has been doing things with this. We're about to find out if he's been doing the right things. Because here, underneath all this dirt, we have a machine. It's a machine I bought for not very much that I haven't exactly overworked. I suppose I could take some of the dust off that before I get much older. Shall we dust it? Yeah, well that's enough of that. Right, what happens when we plug this in? Nothing unless I press that button. Ah. Well, it's making noises. Well, that actually seems to work, doesn't it? Ah, yes. Well, it's on the smallest pulley, so it won't work very fast. But it works. It lives. Igor. Oh dear. Yeah, I wonder if this thing works. We might find that out shortly. It's Sunday, why not?